Wait lang kung sa music.
Huwag na po! Kaya, pa-secure daw ako. Ano ba?
Happy birthday to me.
I'm here, down. Hotel room tour pa ba? Parang wala naman masyadong i-room tour. Nakwento ko na ba kung bakit ako nandito? Hindi ba pala, no? Okay, so let me set the story. So, tomorrow, April 1st, we'll have a 12-hour power outage sa town namin. So, I'm like, hell no. Hell no! So, instead of i-offset ko yung day off ko for this week, sabi ko, hindi, mag-hotel na lang ako. And so, I will work tomorrow here at the hotel. And then, April 2 is my birthday. So, tinuloy ko na lang. Sabi ko, ay siya, sige, mag-i-staycation na lang ako. So, yeah, I'm here at Amalfi Hotel. Ito yung pinili kong hotel dito sa Lipa kasi literal na katapat niya ang SM. So, very convenient, very accessible. Kung may kailangan ako, konting lakad lang. And I stayed here last year actually, back in July. Nung nagpa-test ako ng tinignan ko kung may ADHD ako or autism or both. Quick story, quick recap. Wala naman akong autism. Pero meron akong mild anxiety, which I kind of knew anyways. I had a positive diagnosis for adult ADHD, pero hindi conclusive yung diagnosis because I didn't have the markers for childhood ADHD. So, I don't know. Anyways, let me just show you a quick hotel room tour. So, pagpasok mo, ito yung desk with the mirror. Maliit lang siya. Maliit lang tong room na kinuha ko good for solo travelers. Ayan. Tapos yung bathroom. Papakita ko pa ba? Very small bathroom lang siya. Pero pwede na. Pero improve. Bago tong tiles na to. The sink is not though. But the shower head is new. I do remember the shower being kind of old-fashioned last time. I don't know if their TV have cable na kasi last time wala. But I'm not really here to watch TV anyway. I don't think anybody watches TV in a hotel anymore anyway. Right now, I'm just gonna ilabas ko lang yung mga gamit ko. I'll meet up with Steph. I'm checking with her or if we won't meet up today, tomorrow na lang. Yun muna. Guys, na ako ng room. Bye! I'm actually gonna vlog. Okay. That's nice. This is the first vlog for this new DJI. So, yeah. Have I showed you my nails? Nga pala. Look at the chair. Oh, she's so... I love a simple set. I love it. Bye! Take out tayo sa AU na.
Hello ka muna. Say hello. Ah? Hi. Hello ka eh.
Well, what are we gonna buy? The lighting is very red. Very cinematic. Yes. Ngayon na lang wala ako makakapag-hapchan. Last time na nag-hapchan ako siguro 2017. Tagal na.
May nanet ko.
Ha?
May na internet.
Hindi! Ilagay mo ang ring necklace sa akin.
Okay. Akala sabi niya sa
Dito, may sasakit seal dito.
Okay.
Kasi hindi ko malala. Kasi
Ganda nga na nga makita.
ganda. Magaling yung nagawang yun.
Nakaliit pa lang.
Oo, kaya nga. Ay, okay na. Thank you.
Hindi ko po kasi mailagay. Ay, ang ganda.
Yes.
Ngayon nasa TikTok mo, tiga.
Ito lang kasi yung tunay kong necklace. Diba? Yun lang po ang tunay kong necklace. Yung iba po ay mga 200 lang. Hati lang kami. Buti na lang maliit lang siya. Sa paper straw and my matcha looks extra swampy. But you know me with matcha, I'm Shrek.
Subscribe nga. Sarap. Maasim yung mango juice. Sumuntik man. Tamis. Okay. We ordered yang chow.
Sa picture yun.
Yeah. Shrimp. Dapat yung with Hapshan sauce kaso wala daw. So, yung ano na lang. Ano nga to? Salt and pepper shrimp, fried shrimp, and then wala din yung spicy chicken fillet. So, we just ordered lemon chicken. Okay, let's go! Solid. Solve and solid. Take out. Craving satisfied. The lighting is atrocious, but whatever. Hi! See me? It's like almost... Oh shit. What time is it? It's almost 2 p.m. I've been up since like 2 a.m. I've been up for 12 hours already. That's... Ewan ko, hindi ako makatulog kagabi. I don't know what happened. Like, nagising ako around almost 2 nga. Parang mga 1:45 pa nga eh. My throat was like parched. It was dry and then I had to, you know, pee. So I did that, drank water, and then I couldn't go back to sleep. I tried everything. And when I say everything, I mean everything, if you know what I mean. But... I can't. I almost fell back asleep, but it was like 5:30 a.m. na. But I gave up. I was like, okay. Then around 6:45, I just went down to, you know, eat breakfast. But I did go... I did fall back asleep at around like 7:30 after breakfast. But I had to get up at like 9 because I have to work. I have to pay for this, you know. So I've just been working and already ate lunch, took a bath, took a shower, and yeah, I'm gonna put on my makeup, but I'm not gonna film it because it's just literally, you know, some concealer, some blush, and some lip tint, a little bit of eyebrows, and all that. Plans for today, actually, I'm gonna meet with Nini again, my niece. We're gonna go to this cafe, Lucia's or Lucia's Cafe, and then we're not sure yet. I don't want to jinx it, but Steph did say that maybe we can have like a quick dinner later. So we'll see. I'm just gonna lightly beat the face, and yeah, see you later. I still can't do. Done. Did my makeup just a little bit. This is just a light beat. Actually, did a TikTok. Sabi ko hindi ako mag-film, pero nag-film ako ng konti for TikTok. And palis na ako, mag-ayos na akong gamit. Pupunta na si Nini dito. So, see you at Lucia's Cafe.
It was all a dream, just a new girl on the scene. Got your face on magazine.
Dito kami. Ito yung mga ginagawa ko sa Good Coffee, Great Coffee. Ano kaya? Magkakape lang ako. Pictorial time. Pa-sweet girl mo ako. Patingin niya muna. Baka naman, okay, sige. Patitingin. Wala. Wala.
Isa ka dyan. Ang ganda pala dyan.
Oh, sige.
Ay, ang ganda. Tingin kayo dito pa
Coffee.
Okay.
Patingin muna.
Ang ganda dito.
Oh, sige. Patingin niya.
May sobrang maganda yung pa-sweet girl.
Nakakatawa yung pa-sweet girl. Sabi ko picture. Ay, ito pa-sweet girl nga. Maganda nga yung pa-sweet girl.
Ganda. Nalalawa ko sa Bilibili. Pa-sweet girl. Ayun. Talaga, pa-sweet girl daw ako. Nga naman. Ikaw naman. Ang Java chip with the Jisoo pa.
Uy, Gojo na to.
Ano na? Ay, iba na pala. Iba na palang variant. Wait lang, medyo nagulat ako sa mango crepe. Ay, naku, nandiyan na yung cappuccino ko. Wait lang. Sa akin po. Thank you. Pretty. Cappuccino. Cappuccino. With the crepe na madami.
Hahaluin niya na.
Tapos hindi naka-record.
Record.
Tapos sa tight shot, iinom ako.
Ay, maganda. Nakikita yung flower.
Walang lasa.
Ganda nito. Ang ganda sa angle na to.
Ulit ako. Walang lasa. Triple chocolate. Ay.
Aesthetic. Ano? Chocolate. Hindi ba siya matamis? Triple chocolate? Sige. Wait lang later. Crepe muna ang akin.
This is banana and crème. Let's see. Uy, hatian mo ko dito. And I'm gonna get the banana. Ay, banana? Mango! Ba't banana sinasabi ko? May take-out na naman later ang nini. You first pala. Nakain ko. Nakain ko buko. Anzim, ha? Anzim kinigo. Pero masarap naman siya. Pero maasim lang man. Pero mango season na talaga. Dami mangga sa atin. No ka na lola. Content grater. Ano nga ito? Spinach. Chicken spinach. Something. In fairness, masarap yung pizza. Chicken pala yung natikma ko sa pizza. Pero masarap siya. Grilled. Let's see if there's a cheese pool.
No?
It's really hot. Ano ko pag masarap? Hindi nakakaumay ang cheese. Hindi na kasi sa spinach. Nakakaumay yung creaminess. Pero ito hindi. Pero tipid sa chicken. So, oh! Someone's taking a picture of me. Wait lang, magpipictorial lang kami. Hi vlog! This is Steph and Adrian. Ako naman. Dito kami sa Contis kahit busog na ako. But, first time kong kakain dito. Sana masarap.
First time ko din.
Ay,
First time
ganun.
din namin.
Bakit mo naman na-suggest kasi malapit?
Oo. Sama ko naman okay.
Pero matagal ko na nga gusto tong i-try. Maganda rin naman ang ambience. Ikala mo naman.
Yes. Ay, yan.
Kamay yun na. Kaarte naman. Di naman ganyan.
Mainit kasi bakla.
Ah, ganun ba? Sorry na. Akala ko kasi pretentious na.
Gago hindi. Hindi.
Hindi, okay lang.
Pero pinanood ko din yung ano.
Back rolls? Parang sinasabi mo pa din yun hanggang ngayon eh. Ano yan, salmon? Tapos ito na yung vongole bianco. Tofu steak. Nice. Ang pretty naman ito.
Ganda yun.
Pero sana mamaya pa nila dinala kasi mag-melt na yun. May reklamo pa din. Pero ready. Thank you! Thank you! Naiyak Thank you! Picture daw. Okay.
Ayun yung sinasabi happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Thank you. Hindi pala hawak ko. Dapat pala hawak ko.
Umiiyak na ba? Umiiyak pa rin.
Thank you, Lia.
Ayun! Yan!
Wait lang kami sa music.
Huwag na po! Ituloy niyo po. Bawang kasalan. Daki. Huwag na po. Okay na. Okay na po. Happy birthday to me.
May umiiyak pa rin sa 30th
Yes! Thank you po. Ayan na, Bibs. Bibs! Bakit kasalanan mo ito? Ayun mo, Bibs. Okay daw. Oo, yan. Yun pala yun. Thank you po. Happy birthday to me. Thank you. Tama na. Kata. Kata music. Kata music. Okay na po. Thank you. Thank you, Dom. Bye, Dom. Bye. Uwi na kayo. Ingat. Happy birthday. Bye. Paano ba si Delusion? Ayan nyo na.
Wala ba rin sa hotel?
Meron naman. Tago ko na lang. Thank you, Dom.
Pa yung record sa phone.
Titignan ko ba? Titignan ko. Thank you. Thank you for recording.
Sabi ng kayari.
Nakayo.
Ay, hindi ko sa music.
Thank you for recording. Hindi ko na naisip. So yeah, had a... Based on the last clip you saw, diba ang saya, ang chaotic. Napaka nakakatawa kasi super coincidence lang na nandun din yung good friend ko sa Contis. So, saan kami nag-dinner. Yung inaanak ko talaga, iyakin talaga yun eh. Nakakatawa. Ang saya naman na nagkaroon ng mini celebration. Advanced celebration for my birthday tomorrow. So, thank you again, Dok. Thank you din kina Steph and EJ. We had a great conversation, great company. Ayun, I'm excited for my birthday tomorrow. Kasi ang plano ko is na sleep in. Diyos ko, alas 2 pa ako gising. Medyo antok na talaga ako actually. Pero knowing me, hindi pa ako makakatulog agad-agad. So yeah, for tomorrow, I'm gonna sleep in. No alarms for me. It's my birthday. And then I'm gonna have a great lunch and hopefully the cafe that I'm gonna go to tomorrow is super vibey. Super cute, super aesthetic. Sana. And papamassage ako sa gabi. Yeah, that's the plan because I don't know why, but this part hurts and my lower back hurts. So yeah, this is 32. And yeah, good night. Yun lang. Good night, good night, good night. No, hindi. Transition na ako ng proper. The lighting is not the best. I'm sorry about it. Hey, good morning. Well, it's 2 p.m. Like, I didn't want to get up early, so here's me just doing my makeup. Just a little bit of makeup. It's my birthday! Happy birthday to me! I am 32 years old. I'm just gonna go to Base Cafe. It's one of my favorite restaurants here in Lipa kasi the food is good. And since pink, ano ba siya sabihin? Pink patisserie? I don't know, it's like a pink cafe is literally just there in that same area. Doon na lang ako pupunta. Para kasing sa Malarayat, ang layo na. Hindi naman siya ganun kalayo, pero I had to pay for like, private transportation kasi nga wala naman akong dalang sasakyan. And it's like, I'm just gonna go to that one cafe, Sandcrab Cafe. So, I decided, next time na lang yun. I wanna try underpainting. So, I'm gonna start with a bronzer. So, na ko siya lumitaw. I love makeup. I love putting on makeup. Okay, she's a princess. And as much as I'd like to bring my hobo bag, I'm gonna change bags. This really cute small white bag. Wait lang. I'm gonna put all the essentials in it. My essentials, my phone is still charging, but the wallets, camera, AirPods, second phone. Ba't tawag dito? Power bank. Coin purse, kailangan. Of course, the alcohol, tissue, wet tissue, and my phone. Yeah, lagay ko lang siya. And I'm gonna try to see if... Wait, my jewelry. I have to put it on. Wait. I have to go now, but I forgot that you will be put in the bag as well. So, we'll see if there's still space. I think I can pipilit ko na lang talaga. My phone will definitely not be in the bag. So, yeah. It's time. Let's go.
But these bitches in my business cut me out to choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. You don't know, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But then you can keep it like nobody knows it. Stay out the way. I need you to get the fuck out my space. Replacements on the way, please don't play. Pussy's feeling like a great escape. I need a new drink, gold eyes don't change. I'm fucking, I ain't making love no more. Figured out a new bitch, what the fuck you crying for?
Miss, may ano ba? Nandito po ba yung pink?
Dito po madam. Diretso lang po.
Diretso
kayo.
lang?
Yes po.
Okay. Thank you.
Ito pong base, then yung pagkalampas lang po rin ng isang building na to, then pink po.
Okay. Thank you. Hey, lapit nga lang. Yeah. Sabi nga pala ito na airbase. Wait lang. Dito, maglalakad nga lang. Ay, ito na pala. Katabi nga lang. Pink patisserie. So cute. So cute. Okay. There's an orange cat. Cutie. Hello there.
Kasama niyo?
Hindi ba? Mahilig ko na. Nakapagpa-schedule ako ng massage. Literal lang katabi lang pala nila yung spa. Pupunta na lang ako doon. Mag-alis na ako ng mga jewelry kasi uwian na. I mean, papamassage kasi later. So, no need for jewelry. Masaya din. Busog ako. Kaya pinaschedule ko yung massage mga 6 p.m. pa kasi busog na busog ba ako. And it's fun. Ang cute nung I'm sure you saw. Ang cute nung tawag dito, pink patisserie. Ang ganda ng vibe, ganda ng ambiance. Tapos ang babait ng mga ng staff. Sweet nila. Tapos yung base cap, medyo may salt and pepper naman na kasama yung burger. Kaso parang wala man lang talaga silang nilagay na literal na seasoning sa patty. I don't know what happened. Hindi ganun yung tanda kong lasa ng burger doon. Pero, the sauce naman made up for it. And I didn't know that I like espresso martini. Tastes so good. Pero hindi ko inubo, syempre. Ayoko naman magpakalasing talaga. All in all, success. Ang cute talaga ng pink patisserie. Tapos parang meron silang high tea set. One of these days, babalikan ko. Tapos may kasama na dapat ako na para todo-todo ang pictorial. Hindi ako masyado nakapag-picture kasi hindi makuha yung background. Pero yeah, so much fun. So, it is what basta ang cute niya. Gusto kong balikan. Gonna chill and I'm gonna wait for time for a massage and it will be a perfect end to a very chill birthday. Haba na rin naman ang buhok ko Kahit manipis, humaba na din naman siya. Kakong! I don't know if I'll film. Sa phone na lang siguro later. Konting filming lang sa massage. See you later! Literal na katabi lang siya. So ito yung hotel. Kita mo! It's a crescent moon. Can you see? Massage. It's okay. It's good. Hello! Good morning! It's my last day here in Lipa for my birthday staycation, kuno. I'm just gonna pack my things. I mean, I already started, but I'm gonna buy isang pasalubong in Contis. Uwian na. Actually, I have to work later, but it's just a half-day work. So, I'm not in a rush, really. I'm not even gonna put on makeup, but I'm done with taking a bath, all the skincare and the body care. And my biggest pimple is almost gone. Well, she's on the process of being almost gone because girl. So yeah, I'm just finished packing. I forgot to say something last night. Parang I said I was gonna give a conclusion ending scene kuno, but I don't know, I don't have anything to say. I guess I'm just so grateful that I've had 32 years. Actually, I realized yesterday that I've been 32, diba? Kasi the traditional thing is I'm 32 years old as of yesterday, but actually it's I've been 32 and now I'm entering my 33rd year of life. 33 is a significant number, diba? I'm entering my 33rd year of life. That's crazy. Actually, I'm gonna do a bit of makeup, but just blush and stuff. So I'm just gonna do a bit of blush. But that's it. The lighting is probably crazy anyway. So I have some color on my face or whatever. Just a bit of powder on the center of my face. I didn't even dip this in anything else but what's left on my bronzer brush. Then this is my loose setting powder brush. But again, I didn't dip it again. Just whatever is left on it. I am gonna put just a little bit of eyeshadow. Just a little bit. I don't know. A little bit of sparkle just makes everything better. Curl my lashes but no mascara.
just a bit of lip tint. I thought I was done, but like can't live without eyebrows. So the lighting is atrocious. What was I saying? Oh yeah, I'm on the start of my 33rd year of life. I'm just so grateful. I cannot believe that I'm like 33 years old. Well, 32, but you know what I mean. I mean, technically, I'm only in my 5th year of being a full person. Kasi I think life really starts at 27, 28. Because when you're 27 or 28 years old, that's when your life starts falling apart. Like, that will be the toughest year of your life yet, in my opinions. When I was 28, that was 2020. And we all know what happened in 2020. And not just COVID, by the way. Like, a literal volcano erupted at the start of 2020. So, 2020 to 2021. And the first half of 2022 was a bit of a challenge for me. Like, I wasn't in a good, like, headspace in those years. Like, I couldn't tell you what happened in 2021 because I was just out of it, to be honest. So when I turned 30, that's when for me life kind of started to make sense. I'm more, I don't know, by the later end of 2022, I was more grounded with myself. And then 2023, there was a bit of a challenge as well, but I kind of overcome it, and it added a notch to my life experiences and just having more confidence in myself. And then 2024 is when I really started to click for me what life is. Like, it took me decades to realize what life is all about, and it's a lot more difficult when you learn a lot about the world and yourself, but I feel like it's so much more rewarding now because I can handle stress better, and I'm definitely more grateful now. Not that I was like, you know, spoiled or ungrateful before, but I found it very difficult in the past to see the good side of life. Like, I've always been more focused on the bad side of things. So now I can, even though there's a lot of bad happening, I can handle my emotions better. Does that make sense? I'm becoming more a complete, like, person. So yeah, I'm grateful, and I'm gonna pull my knees. That's the thing though with being like 30. I'm almost in my mid-30s, and that's the thing, like, my joints hurt. That's like one of the sucky part of being mid-30s, I guess. Improvement, definitely. I need to be more fit. I need to be more healthy. Health as well. So I need to get on my Zoom. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. I'm gonna edit it hopefully soon because I have a lot of TikTok edits to do as well. Anyway, yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you're an April baby, Aries gang, hello. Yeah, see you next time. Bye. I'm not gonna do the okay, whatever. Bye.